Okay, so let's get to the nice part of this session, which is Canva. So let's say you want to design something for your business. You want to design, let's take the first example, an Instagram post. You want to design something for Instagram. So I will just use another account here. Just need to make sure. So what happened earlier is that my Google Chrome crashed because I'm just opening so many things. So first thing that you want to do is go to canva.com. That's a website available on there. They also have their app, but I wouldn't advise using the app to design. It's very hard. I've tried it. It's very hard to use. So use it on your desktop, on your laptop, and then yeah. So just sign up with Google. That's what I've just done here. They give you a little pop up. Sign up with Google here. Of course, they'll ask you a few questions to start. They'll ask you who you are. Well, it's not too many questions, but they just need the basic information. Okay, so they'll ask you what type of what will you be using it for. So let's say small business. Okay, of course they want you to buy the pro version. They do have a pro version. They want you, yeah, this is free trial, but after 7 days you have to pay for it. So just click on maybe later. Okay, and that's it, you're in. Okay, so it looks quite basic. So the first thing you want to do is use this search bar. This search bar is the best way to navigate around this application. So I want to make an Instagram post about, let's say, about finance. Okay, so I just type Instagram post finance, and it's gonna give me loads and loads of templates. Okay, here's one of them. So this is carousels, by the way. You see, this one is a two picture, not really great. Okay, okay, let's take a simple one, just for this, just for the sake of this session. We'll take really easy ones. Okay, okay, that's the pro one. You see that? So again, you need to be careful. There are pro ones, there are free ones. So this one is free. We'll take this one. Customize this template, and it opens up a nice platform here, a nice window here that will allow you to edit everything. So let's say first thing you want to put your logo on there. So let's do that. So we'll skip the tool. The first thing you want to do is get used to this panel on your left hand side. So there are different things here. There are design. That's where you can choose other templates. There are elements here. So these are shapes and graphics that you can use. Again, make use of this search bar. They have search bars everywhere. Make use of that and type what you really need. Okay, so for example, I want a logo here. I want a random logo. So let's say, okay, I want the Facebook logo. Just type this. Again, there, here you go. You have pictures of Facebook, you have videos of Facebook that you can use. You have frames. So frames is a bit more advanced, but again, here you go. Graphics. They give you loads of graphics here. You click on it, and it gives you here a little graphic. You resize it, you put it in a corner somewhere where you want to post, where you want to put it. That's one. That's how you add small graphics a bit everywhere, and you can select all of this. So let's say you want to edit it and say finance talks with, let's say, with me. Okay, I just go on there, select the text, and write. Straightforward. Now we see that there's a little problem here, similar to Word, to simple Word documents. Just resize it a little bit until it fits. Okay, now let's say your logo. So I'll try to put my logo on it. So you can upload, go to the upload section. You can upload your own pictures and videos on here. Okay, so you upload files. I'm gonna have here. Okay, I'll just use that one. Okay, you'll see your picture getting uploaded. Okay, you click on it again. It appears on here. Now, one thing that Canva has done to make everything much easier is that they pick up the colors from your logo automatically. So just delete this one, select it, delete. Again, I'm going very fast here, but I'm just showing you the basics. You can see how it works, and then you can on your own go and watch loads of videos about this platform, and watch videos and learn. learn it all on your own. So let's say I want to start now putting my colors on this design. So let's say I want to change the background to that blue that I have here. So I select the color, background color. Then you'll see here it picked up the colors from the picture you uploaded already. You don't have to go find the color that you're using. It does it for you. You select it, that's the color change. Now you want to change this circle to another color. You want to use the green here. Same thing here, we'll use the green. Okay, same thing here. Yeah, so basically what you need to do is adapt the designs and the templates to your colors. And there you go. I've basically made this mine. I can put my picture on it, but just for the sake of this session, I won't do this. But you can do this, replace everything. You can delete it. If you need someone, if you need something to be back, there's an undo button here. Okay, you can change the font types on here. Okay, you can change many things. Well, basically you have access to change the whole of it. And that's the same thing for all the other templates that you have here. Same thing, let's say you want to create another post on the same page. You can do that. Either choose another template or even delete that page. There's a duplicate button here on the top right corner. Click on it, you can duplicate it and even attempt another design. Let's say you want another format of it. Let's say you want the logo to be down here. Okay, you can do that. Put it on here, swap things around as you want. Okay, put it on here in the small corner. Again, that's another design of the same thing, but it's just layouts are a bit different, and you can change that. You can make all of it smaller. Okay, let's say you want to place other things here. Okay, so again, they give you lines, so that's very useful. They give you lines that you can follow. And you can see me doing this very fast. I know it can take some time. I know it can take some time to get there, but practice. If you practice with it, you can do a lot on here. Okay, more lines on here. You can write more text here. Okay, let's say you want to delete that and add your logo here. So you can do so. Another quick tip that I'm giving you, if you want to put the same image somewhere else, you can just select it, control, so CTRL on your keyboard, press control and press D. That's duplicate, and that's it. That's another one here. Okay, you can place your logo somewhere here. Okay, that's another design. So very simple. Edit the templates, add your own logos, colors. Now let's say you have a very specific font that you want to stick to, you can do that too. So for my business, it's a font called Montserrat. Okay, again, that's all part of your brand awareness. If you keep the same fonts and the same type of designs, all the and the same type of colors, people will recognize you. Okay, so we want to do this. Okay, keep it smaller. Okay, so same thing. You see, so basically I've just made this for my brand. I've recreated this whole post for my brand with my colors, my logos, my text, and whatever I need here. I can put my link in here. Okay, there you go. That's yours now. And then easy, you want to use this picture, you go to share button here and you click on download. There are different formats, different types of formats that you can download this in. If it's for an image, I recommend PNG. It's the highest quality image. You can select which page you want to download. So let's say I want to download page 1. Done. Download. Okay, this will appear. And there you go. This is downloaded on you can rename it, of course. And this is downloaded on your PC now. You send it to yourself on email, open the email on your phone, download the image, and then you go on Instagram and you post it. And that's it. That's done. That's graphic design basic graphic design on Canva. Again, I would advise, so if you go on YouTube, you just type Canva tutorials. If you really want to do all of this on your own, just type Canva image tutorials. Okay, so I'm just going to close this because I know it's getting slow. Okay, so there you go. Editing photos. There's Canva overview. There's a whole course. Look at this one. This is a whole course on it. 20 videos on how to use it. Okay, this one is in Hindi, but there are many others that you can see on here. So many people use Canva these days, and they've created tutorials for it. So, with advice, having a look at it. Now, the next part of the course is video editing. So video editing is very similar. We go back to Canva. Okay, I'm just going to close this, and you type here um, Reels Finance. Okay, let's say so. One thing that they'll do for you here on Canva is that they will give you templates with the proper sizing that you need to follow. So that's a really good advantage of using Canva, is that you get the good sizes that needs to be posted online. Because if you try to do it on your own, or if you try to use other platforms like Photoshop or Illustrator or other designing platforms, they won't give you these sizes. You have to go and find it on your own. So find it on your own, then set it up there. But in here, they give it to you directly. That's the proper sizing. Everything will look on scale when you post it. So for videos, similar concept. Enter, select the template, edit the text. Okay, you see here the difference. So this video, if I play it, it's a 20-second video. It has its own sound, of course. Video. I just mute the sound. So it has different views, different screens on here. You see, this is a nice small video about what this is a nice small video that you can use for your services, even for your products. So if you want to edit the first page, you're here. It's the same way as editing a graphic. You edit the text. So budgeting, okay, and then you change it to your font. You use this font. Okay, you want to make it okay. So you want to change it, increase sizes and all that. You want to put your logo on it. Okay, straightforward. Okay, be careful with this. Okay, you want to put your logo, you want to add your colors. Okay, you want this to be this one. There you go. And then you can change this also, which is somewhere effects. Okay, so I'll just remove it. Change the text to, let's say, dark. Again, it doesn't look the best. I'm just showing you how you can edit it. You can change the picture on here. So that's a video in here. So what you can do is go on elements, type finance. So if your topic is about finance, or if let's say you're selling clothes, okay, you type clothes, you type videos, and then there you go. You've got loads of videos that you can use. Okay, let's say you want to use this one. You just drag it. So click on it, drag it, and place it right here. So that has replaced the video that was on here. Again, this video is a bit longer. You can drag this here to make it a bit shorter. Okay, click on play. Okay, there you go. That you've changed the whole of it and made it yours. So you find a template that you like, go on there. You can upload your own video on here and add it to the template, or use what you have already. Okay, so same thing for the next slides. You can change the video on here, change the text. Go to the next one. You go to the next one, and you change the text and videos. You can even change that to be an image. Okay, so same thing. Then at the end of the day, You download it. At the end, you download it, and that's it. Again, when on the free version. Okay, so when you're on the free version of Canva, this is gonna be a bit limited. You can't change the quality. Um, you can't download as separate. So there'll be a few limitations. I'm just gonna stop this here. Okay, so I'll just close it. Right. So this is Canva. Have a look at it. See how it can help you. You can use the free versions, or if you want to pay for Canva, also that's completely fine. You can. It's only about $10 a month, something like this. So if you have to create a lot of content, it's worth it. Okay. So next thing on here are the timings you want to be posting. So there are different timings for different